be small thing. I like this one. I like this one. You know why I say I like him? Because he affects all of us. Even you where they watch me now, he affects you now. You know, he get this pastor. I don't want to mention the name of the pastor church, but I want to mention the pastor name. You understand? Make people not to say they try to advertise the man. No. Remember when this man talk one thing? You know what I tell him? You know what I talk? I told the news now. I don't like what he talk. I say yes, I know the pastor, but I don't like what he said. The time I talk say pastor not going to do competition. But this one, I speak tongues for the pastor. The man what they call Pastor Casey Choko Oroseja for the pastor. He dey bear many names. He dey bear Cezebo. He dey bear God. He dey bear Jesus, Abraham, many names. But no be waiting out of that one. He get what this pastor talk. This pastor talks about many of us where they are abroad and those where they house. Any small thing, parallel with the same money. Every time, I don't want to talk, I want me the man, and the man will talk himself. Every time, money, money, money. But before that, I want to first watch the video so that I will talk what I want to talk or money before I understand now. So, oh yeah, essentially.
The person that is giving you money, what have you contributed in the person's life? Nothing. 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 What have you? That person you are disturbing abroad. What have you contributed in that person's life? Since he has been in abroad, what is wrong with Benin people? Why are you disturbing these people in abroad? Now you send a... Do you know how they make money in abroad? Do you know how they gather money in abroad? You pick your phone and begin to disturb them. You no pray, you no pick, you no pick. Carry their bishop to pastor. Pastor, pray, pray, pray. Make it send money. That prayer we know work.
Yes. Money ritual.
It will not
work.
A work here, a work here.
Yes.
A work. A working. Where you have not contributed anything in their life, you are disturbing them. You are disturbing them. There are some of you here. There are some of you here. The people you are helping, the kind of clothes they wear. Fear no, they let you wear them for body.
Yes, sir.
They don't use you. They don't use you. But after today, if I hear your amen, I use you. Sit down, sit down.
My father is a God.
I am not saying somebody should not help his family.
Yes, sir.
I am not saying somebody should not assist his family.
Yes, sir.
But when you now use the person who is assisting as ATM, money producing machine, now me they tell you, you don't use person for money.
My people, why important? Huh? Una hear her? Una see her? You know, this thing, I talk, again, one guy, I talk about say, can I tell you one thing? Nigeria cannot benefit. Now, hear the language. La lie. Anything will make you give them 100,000 naira now. They will tell you, say, they need 200,000 naira. Say, one leg don't break, they want to operation. It's a blood. I don't say we will not send money, but one thing is this. If you dey Nigeria, you dey go church, go dey meet, thank God say the man we talking about pastor, go dey meet pastor. Say, pastor, pray for my son, or pray for my daughter, my children, maybe they send me money. You are the pastor, una before one night. I'm telling you the truth. See, you know, see, this thing, I don't say, I don't go into church when I did Nigeria, I see all those things now. Person not dey sick. No, carry a picture, go church. See, that is what me, even my mother don't get my picture. You not get that. You not get my picture. I'm telling you the truth. You not get my picture. If you want to get my picture, you go meet any of my siblings. They will say, see your son for Facebook. You not get my picture. Because if you carry my picture go meet pastor, make pastor pray, it don't make sense. You're the pastor on 419. I don't say many people don't like this way they talk now. Because most of those people we have contributed to their life, but they have not contributed anything to our life. I'm not saying, I know the talk say our mother not try. No, I'm not talking that one. I'm not talking about that. No, I'm not prove. Not say people know how to prove somebody. Now just hear A, I'm not gonna know how B and C take end. I know they start the judge more than listen to me. Yes, those who will get parents for us, yeah, it's good we take care of them. But one thing is this, anything where they do too much, that is where it become bad. Send today, send tomorrow, send this one, send this one, send this one. But I don't know how they feel. I don't know the kind of work what they do. I beg, make we try, make we change. More will still take care of those who are there abroad. Abroad no easy. Abroad no easy. I would say that's something we will do. We for bring una come still stay for 2 months here. No be so that we stay at when they feed you now. Now still come out way we take they come out. When I still see how abroad be. Una go still come. I would say easy to bring una come. Make una still come. Make una come experience am. You know what people they pass through here every day for this money issue? Huh? You know what people where they abroad they pass through? Una not care how they take they live. Una not care how they get the money. It's just like some of our age now, almost 70% of it in Benin, those states. Una daughters go there abroad. They will say now come become their central bank. But the moment they tell us say they want bomb, now go the first. Or the moment they tell us say they want marry, now go the first. I don't see a lot of people will be say they will send their mother money, their mother will be happy. But the moment they tell their mother say, I want marry, they'll call the verse. Because if you say once they marry, that will not call they come their word again. Go to the word and multiply. You get what in Bible is and tell me no. But our Benin people will not change them, Go to the word and multiply financially. Now we call the feel because all the EJ will be say that I'm not talking of all of now, maybe your EJ not the do. But the 70% of EJ where they Benin, what do they do? Their daughters don't become their money making machine. While they are the central bank. Everything where they want to say they send the money because they don't care about the way they live, whether they get headache or not. Many of them will be saying we go even sick, they hospital. We don't know. If you call them, they call you. Instead they say you're not there well. They'll say I beg you abroad. Not they say for abroad. Say now them. They will toxic condition like not there. Light there, but you know what they pass through here. Do you know what we pass through every day and night? People don't know. Even because of that, say we're not going to the bath. If you wear suit now, they will use that suit to judge you. If you wear shoe, they will use that shoe to judge you. You know they feel they dress well. Because once they see say you dress, they say, hey, the money don't they come. I beg my people, make una still consider the people where they are abroad. Make still consider our children where they are abroad. Life not easy, the one that they think. Time will say this coronavirus, they don't change a lot of things, Life no easy. Life no easy. So people there now will be say even to get 20 euro, they take on and say they hard. For this pandemic, I don't know. A lot of people there outside will be say they lose their house. I know people say they lose their house during this period, but I don't care. If any of them lose house, una must get alternative, whether una father house or una mother house, now park go there. But if anybody lose house for you, nowhere to go. Now like how the person go they sleep outside. I never see anybody for the general will be say except all those on that bridge, but we will be say Benin and those states say we they sleep outside. We must get village. We will say we got our family house for village, but your family has not there here. Make sure they pray for our children when they are abroad. Life not easy with them. No be the one that say they plug money for transfer, they plug money. They don't pick money for grant. Even in the process of making this money, we know what we they pass through, the kind of things support they receive. to pay house rent. But can I shock you, people within Nigeria? Money what they pay house rent for here for every month. Now they pay house rent for Nigeria for 1 year. More than raise it that one. I'm telling you. He get one boy when make one comment. I like what the boy talk. The boy talk say, he can't they preach. He say many of them now wait to say not be anything. He say even they try people within it. I'm sorry, no be say no reason that the way here. Understand? He say why? Because if you imagine the moment they pay for 1 month. 1 month for 1 room. So they pay 1 year for Nigeria. You understand? Those ones who say they get money, money they pay their house rent for 1 year. They spend that for 1 month, and at the end, money not go take for them to take care of children or eat. But they'll still skills. Those ones they send go out, still send go out. So we say I want manager. No now. Maybe they contented with what we get. Maybe they appreciate it. Life not easy here. Life not easy here. Life not easy here. As we they talk that he get one guy, Nigerian person, here, Benin person, where we say police catch her for road during this pandemic. They give her 300 muta. How much be that 300 muta in Nigeria money? No reason na. That's 100 and something thousand naira. Not be muta tax where you go pay. They don't arrest them just to pay tax. That money, you know, go reach you take pay for 2 rooms self-contained for 1 year. That's not that person paying her for just within 1 month. Life not easy here. Life not easy here. I beg. May we pray for people when they are abroad. May we try adjust our expenses. We within Nigeria. You understand? We go the same money they come. Money what they say they come. We'll just quarter there because nobody suffer America. But I don't know how they tell you suffer make the money here. I will say that what now fee just come. Mona just come. I think I come see for 2 months. The first year when I enter here, I don't vex go meet government. 1 year when I first I tell you say take me back to my country. They call they beg me. No. I'm telling you. People will be say they know what they talk. For Italy. I say take me back to my country. Why? Because before I did say abroad just enter, now you go that tree, you plug it. Now if only you feel climb, you'll get your money. I don't want to say no be so money, no so abroad be. Now we don't be inside. Abroad not be like the way they think. I bet if not 1,000 naira they send give on more na use and well. Subscribe to Agbon's TV for more videos like this. Thank you very much. More will go to